Honey here. Today I'm going to teach you how to clean your face brushes, your eyeshadow brushes, and also your sponges. So if you want to see how I clean all of the tools in my makeup kit, just keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm going to teach you all how to clean your face brushes. It's really important to always maintain your face brushes clean and disinfected because these are the ones that you apply throughout your whole face. And these, as I said, they go all around your face, sometimes even in your neck area. So these are really important to maintain disinfected and clean. So for this step, I'm going to be using this Evian Skin Refreshing Cleansing Hand Wipe. So I'm just going to take one wipe out. So the first thing that I'm going to do is place my cleansing wipe on the table. And then with these brushes, as you can see, I've been using these a lot. I'm just going to start dabbing them slowly around the cleansing wipe. And as you can see, start picking up the product really easy from the brush. And I'm just going to apply it like this, as if I'm applying foundation or blending something in. And this is a really easy way to remove some of the makeup from your brush. All you gotta do is just swipe your brush on top of your cleansing pad, and then your brush is gonna be ready to use again. And the same step I repeated with all of the face brushes. Just keep swiping, swiping, swiping. And then look at that. That's a big difference already. I feel like these brushes are ready to be used again. And the best part is that they're not fully wet. You're not dipping them into something. So you can actually just swipe them in your skin again. You see that there's no product coming out. And then you can use it again. Okay, so now that you clean your face brushes, now it's time to clean your face sponges. So I got these two sponges from Luxy Beauty. So for these, what I like to use is a little bowl like this. As you can see, an empty bowl. And I'm gonna make my own concoction of makeup remover with a little bit of alcohol, 99% alcohol. And then what I'm going to add on to this is this Berry Cherry Clean from Pharmacy, which is a makeup remover balm. And I'm gonna take just a little bit of a spoonful of it. There we go. Okay, so that's a little bit. And then all I'm gonna do is with that same spoonful, just mix it with the alcohol. Okay, so all you gotta do after is take your beauty sponges and dunk them in. I like to give them a little bit of a swirl, and I make sure that the sponge is completely covering the product. And then all I do is take out, I just put it on a napkin and then I clean it up. As you press on it, you can see that the makeup starts just coming up from it and easily just melts away. It all stays on the towel that you use to clean it. But now we repeat the same step. Now we have our solution of alcohol and the makeup remover there. And as you can see here, I have my dirty sponge. And I'm just gonna dunk it in it, make sure that it absorbs everything. That seems like it absorbed everything already. As you can see, you can already see a difference in this. I'm gonna take my old towel that I have at home. This is specifically that I have for removing makeup. And look, I'm just gonna put it in there and squeeze. You're gonna see the difference. You squeeze, 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 squeeze. Press. And bam. Your makeup sponge is like brand new. All of the makeup stays in there, and it's also really disinfected thanks to the alcohol. Okay, now that you have your face brushes and your sponges clean, now we can go ahead and clean our eye brushes. So for this is really easy. I actually like to use these little round cotton pads because I feel like each of them will be enough, and like that I don't have to waste too much materials and too many other paper stuff, which is actually really good for the environment. So consider that. I also take my Pharmacy Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm in the Berry Cherry edition, and I just take one tiny bit of this and I apply it right on the middle of the cotton pad, like this. So then I take my brush. As you can see, this one is dirty with some blue eyeshadow, and I just swipe it on it. And your brush is really gonna be clean in less than a minute. And that's it with this video. We clean our face brushes, our eye brushes, and also our sponges. So if you want more content like this, make sure you let us know in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave the thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
The game on the line, you can't fold and you can't bend. Y'all be playing it safe and I be going for the win.